Welcome to the future of real estate exploration. Today, we'll dive into the immersive world of virtual reality, 360 degrees photography, and how they're revolutionizing the way we experience apartment tours. So, buckle up for a journey through the digital landscape of real estate. Imagine stepping into your dream home without leaving the comfort of your living room. That's the magic of virtual reality and 360 degrees photography. Whether you're a potential buyer, renter, or just curious, these technologies are reshaping the way we perceive spaces. Virtual tours are not just about showcasing apartments. They're about creating an emotional connection between the space and the viewer. With a simple click, you can navigate through every nook and cranny, giving you a true sense of the layout and design. Let's compare. Traditional tours require time, effort, and scheduling. But with virtual tours, you have the freedom to explore at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. It's like having an open house 24/7. With virtual tours, I can provide potential clients with an immersive experience. They can walk through the apartment, inspect details, and get a feel for the space. It's like bringing the property to them, even if they're miles away. The numbers speak for themselves. Properties with virtual tours receive more views, have higher engagement rates, and ultimately lead to faster sales or rentals. It's a win-win for both sellers and buyers. In conclusion, the future of real estate is here, and it's virtual. Whether you're selling or renting, virtual tours offer a dynamic and efficient way to showcase properties.